Hey guys, Ivy here, and it's time for Walgreens Cheap Deals of the Week. Happy New Year. We're going to start off with the Colgate Optic White. It's originally $6.79. It's on sale for $4. It is buy two, get a $3 register reward, which lasts until February the 1st, okay? So we're going to scan that, guys. I'm still a little hoarse, guys, but voice coming back. I feel great. It's on sale for $4. We also have a $4 coupon. Now, I already claimed that coupon. That's why you see it in green. When we look at it, as you can see, you find your product in that area. Then let me show you how you see how many you need to use that coupon. Find your cart, add it to your cart. See, it's going to tell you right there, $4 off of 2 coupon applied. So now we know how to add it to the cart. Let's do the math. 4 times 2 is 8. Take away your $4 coupon. Leave you at $4. When you receive your $3 register reward back, you'll deduct that, leave you at $1. Divide that by 2. These are 50 cents each. So, guys, I haven't bought mouthwash in over a year. I need mouthwash now. Okay, so I'm debating if I want to grab the scope. It's $6.29. It's on sale for $5.50. When you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registered reward. Let's scan it. When we scan it, we see that it's $5.50. And it's a couple of coupons. One for $2 off, which you can hit, check and see if it matches. But I hit both. So I got a message saying that the higher coupon was applied. Okay, so I already know that the $6 coupon was applied. Again, check to see if your product is there. And it is. If you want to, check and see how many you need to apply before claiming them. Add it to your cart, and there, see, it shows you need to buy $4 in order for the $6 coupon to come off. So let's go. $5.50 times 4 is $22. Take away $6 coupon, leave you at $16. Now, when you receive your $6 register reward back, you deduct the $6, take you to $10. Divide that by 4. Mistake, 4. Leave you at $2.50. So these will be $2.50. Now you could do it again. Go $5.50 times 4. Leave you at $22. Take your $6 off coupon. Leave you at $16. Then you want to, if you want to, you could use the $3 from the Colgate and apply it to this deal. Take your $3 off. Leave you at $13. Then when you receive your $6 register reward, leave you at $7. Divide that by 4. You're going to pay $1.75 for mouthwash. That's a great deal. Now, if you want to lower it, that's how you can flip it. Now, let's look at the small spaces on sale for $4.79. And let's scan it. Tells us that it's the small space is $3.29. Take away $2.30. So let's go $3.29. Take $2.30 away. Leave you at 99 cents for the small space. So let's pick up that cheap deal. Then we want to go to the Dawn Power Wash, $6.49. I would never pay that much. Okay, and we're going to scan the Dawn Power Wash. My scanner is crappy in here. Okay, $4.99. Take your $2 off. Claim it. Whenever you see the red plus sign on your coupon, you have not claimed that coupon. You need to tap it, turn it into a check mark, and green. Make sure that your product is in that area. $4.99. Take away your $2. Leave you at $2.99. Now, the Mr. Clean 2-pack, they do not have. It's $3.29. Also, I did not claim that coupon, but I will now. So I will tap the plus sign and turn it into a check mark. And there it is, $2. Don't pick the one for $8.99. You want to get the one for $3.29. Now, the Purex is buy one, get two on sale for $8.99. I need those. Buy one, get two free. So that's $3, three for $8.99. Let's do the math. $8.99, divide that by 3, $2.99 each. That's a great deal. We don't gatekeep. That's what we do at Dollar General. I'm going to use Walgreens cash to pay some of this down. So far, this is how my cart look. Let me take my nitro gloves out. I'm going to pay $1.75 for the scope, $2.99 for the Dawn, 99 cents for the small space, and those are 50 cents each. And those are my nitro gloves, guys. Now, if you have those the game coupons, these are 4 for $10. If you have a good cashier, you can get away with using all 4 of them. That'll make them 4 for $6. Look, guys, I want to show you how inflation is hitting us already. Water, 3 for $10. It's still at $3.99, but it's 3 for $10 now. It was 3 for $9, then it was 3 for $8, and it was 3 for $7. Also, the wine. This was before New Year's. It's $3.99. Don't judge me. Okay, all of the sales, Christmas is 70% off now, not 50%. So I'm just giving you all a visual. How was you guys' New Year's? I hope it was great. We're going into the New Year budgeting, saving, starting us a stockpile, a prepper pantry, learning how to coupon effectively so we can save and budget and stay on budget. That's all the things that I want to do this year. And I want you guys to go along with me on that journey. So make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's Coupon Camp. Don't catch a cold like all my entire family caught a virus. Half of us still are have like a raspy voice. It's awful. Like me, mine takes so long to go away. My vocal cords was swollen. So the doctor told me just have to gradually let them go down. And that's what I'm doing. So I've been trying not to do too much talking. But this should be at 70%. By Saturday, 1/4, it actually should be at 90%. Okay? I love these for my niece. I should have grabbed them. She loves the peanuts. But I don't want to pay that much, so I will wait for those. And those, of course, are my nightmare before Christmas. I love them. Voldemort. I also love Harry Potter. But I hope you guys enjoyed your new year, brought it in gracefully, praying to whoever your higher power is. That's what I did for New Year's with my kids. It was wonderful. We watched the fireworks downtown. So I spent it very nice. Hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's Coupon Camp. Bye.